Kia ora te whānau, really quick video here for you today showing you how to make some turtle graphics in Python. There's a place you can do this online. It's called Python Sandbox. You can head over there now in your browser, pythonsandbox.com/turtle, and you'll be greeted to a lovely window like this. It's got a place on this side called the editor window where you can write some code, place on the other side called the turtle window where our turtle graphics are going to turn up. Our task today is to draw a Christmas tree. Getting on to December very soon. Christmas time's coming up. So we're going to draw something a little bit Christmassy today with code. So you're here in the editor window and follow along with me as I do this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to import turtle. Next thing is we need to make a turtle. And we are going to make one today. It's called Bob is going to be our turtle. And we're going to say Bob is equal to, that equal is assigning. We're saying, hey, Bob is now a turtle dot turtle. Cool. Let's take a look at Bob. Let's hit play. Oh, he's not anywhere, is he? First we need to say is Bob dot forward 100. And now I think he's going to turn up. There he is. Okay, he's not currently a turtle yet. I have to make sure that the graphics stay out from behind my head. He's not a turtle yet. He's just an arrow. I think we're going to make him a turtle, and we can do that by saying bob.shape is going to be a turtle. And let's check that out. Hey, there he is. He's now actually a turtle. That's what we want. Okay. First things first, let's get him just moving around. So there's a couple of things we can do with him. Let's just get him to move in a square. So we can say bob.right, and we're going to set, this is a number of degrees. So whatever number we put in here is the number of degrees he's going to turn right. When I said bob.forward, the number that I put in here is the number of pixels that he moved forwards. He started out facing right, so now when he turns right, he should be facing down. So let's give that a go. There he goes. And I should just be able to do this 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, and you don't need to see my bookmarks bar. And there we go. We have a square. Nice and easy. So, square is not a Christmas tree. Let's move on to that. I'm going to delete everything in here. And what I want to do is I want to move him down here also so that I can actually see the base of the tree. And so I'm just going to lift his pen, shift him, and then stick his pen down. So I'm going to come back up here. I am going to go up and down so you can keep seeing him move here. I'm going to say bob.pen up. And then a little double bracket after that. Make sure you get those brackets in exactly as I've put them. And I'm going to say bob.goto. And this takes an X and a Y coordinate. So in the X-axis, maybe about 50 across. And again, you can play with these to make your Christmas tree a little bit better. And I'm going to say down about 100. So that will be minus 100. To send him 0, 0 is here, if you think of this as a maths graph. So minus 150 is going to be about here. Let's see him. Yeah, there he goes. And he didn't draw because I've lifted his pen. So let's stick his pen back down. Bob.pen down. And double bracket to say, hey, do this thing. That's what that double bracket means. Do this thing now. And now let's get him to move. So I want him to face down. So I'm going to say bob.right 90. And then I'm going to move him, maybe 100 and then 50 across and then 100 up. Yeah, let's say bob.forward 100. So that should be down 100. Bob.right. So now he's going to be facing across. I think I'm moving in the right way. A lot of this is just guessing and checking. Bob.forward 50 maybe, and then bob.right again. So now he should be facing up, and then bob.forward, I'm hoping 100 this works out. Let's give it a go. Hey, yes, nice. Okay, there's all my code. You can freeze it, you can copy it in there so far. I actually do want him to be brown because this is the base of a tree. So we're going to, right at the top, I'm going to say bob.color, and that is American spelling. I'm going to put a quotation mark, and then I'm going to write brown, and close quotation mark, close the bracket. Make sure it looks exactly like that. Here we go. Yes, and now he's brown. Okay, from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one branch, and then it's going to be up to you to finish the Christmas tree. So, I now want him to move left by 90 degrees. And then I'm going to say bob.color, and I'm going to make him green, of course, because it's a Christmas tree. And then I'm going to move him quite a lot. I'm going to say bob.forward 150. Oh, let's make it big. Let's go 180. Why not? And so far, oops, I'll make sure that you can actually see him. Yep, you can still see him. Excellent. That's a big Christmas tree. Okay, now I want to turn him right quite a long way. How long do I want that? Somewhere between 180 and 90, because I want him to move more than 90, but less than 180. Let's split the difference. 150. Bob.right 150 degrees. Not 15. 150. Yeah, that's good. Now let's move him on that branch. 150 again, maybe? Again, a lot of this is just guessing and checking from here. Trial and error. Oh, that looks pretty good. I think it moved a bit far, but that's pretty good. I might drop that down 10 pixels. Yeah, 10 pixels, 20 pixels. And this is my tree so far. I think that looks pretty good. Now, from here, it's going to be up to you to finish off the Christmas tree. So that maybe 3 branches on each side. Make sure he's in the middle, and then do the other side the same. And you have everything you need to do that. You have the ability to shift him without drawing. You've got the ability to change his color. You've got the ability to send him to a coordinate, which can be very helpful. You also have the ability to move him left and right, rotate him left and right, and move him forwards. All right, good luck. I look forward to seeing all of your trees.